Living Web Farms is a nonprofit organization that has been providing educational videos of hands-on workshops from our farms to a community of growers around the world for over a decade. We created a lasting learning library that contains over 700 videos exploring organic growing methods and regenerative practices for resilient living. Our global network of gardeners, farmers, and earth stewards is now more than 200,000 strong and growing. We have much more exciting material to share, but now we need your support. Our journey has been awesome, and it's thanks to our wonderful teachers and subscribers like you. By supporting Living Web Farms, you'll help keep our community alive to plant the seeds of healthy change in regenerative agriculture across the globe. Supporters gain access to member-only perks like special live stream events, shout-outs, early access to videos, and more exclusive surprises. Thanks for being passionate about the future of our planet, how we grow our food, and taking care of our soils and nature. Together, we are cultivating a better world for ourselves and future generations by the actions we take today. You can also visit our website, livingwebfarms.org, to make a direct tax-deductible donation. Let's sow the seeds of positive change now so we can harvest a more livable and resilient future. Click the join and/or thanks buttons to contribute now. And please subscribe and check the bell below to find out when we release new content. We'll see you live on our new weekly Living Web live stream, Tuesdays at 2 on Living Web Farms, where we build life.